Wow, what a stunning pixie makeover. She looks absolutely amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some cute trending short hairstyle ideas. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair and doing something different with your strands, you come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like she decided to mix things up by getting a bob style. Few bangs to frame out the face. Oh, very nice. Look how volumized her hair is. And for those of you who don't know, ombre hair has actually managed to make a comeback. So her hair coloring is right on trend with what we are seeing this season. Next up, we have another bob that features some bottleneck style bangs. Followed by another bob hairstyle. And then of course we have one of the hottest haircut trends, and that is the mullets. This one does have a bit of a shagginess to it with the bardo bangs going in the front. I absolutely love this haircut. Next up, we have another shaggy haircut idea. So she already has a bit of a shag here, and the stylist is just kind of doing a shape up. Beautiful. He did the flipped under for the curling. This really creates a nice amount of volume to the hair, so if you do have hair on the thinner side, this would be a great technique to try out to get your hair flipped, curled under. And then we have another beautiful angled bob style. Followed by another pixie. Now this pixie does feature some longer bangs going there in the front, swoop bangs as well to frame out the face. Gorgeous shape and texture. Next out, we have an angled bob style. I love the amount of fullness that her hair has within this bob. Wow, very nice. And then we see a big chop transformation. So it looks like she went even shorter with a pixie. Never mind, he was just holding the hair. Oh, she got a curly bob. Oh, wow. Beautiful transformation. Her hair looks amazing. Alright, you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed all these hairstyle ideas with me today. We end the video with this beautiful pixie style that we started it off with. I think that this one is absolutely stunning. He does a beautiful classic pixie shape. So chic and stylish. So if you guys did enjoy checking out these styles with me today, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.